In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your Epson C4000u printer. To begin setup, follow the steps in the Start Here poster included with your printer for initial setup. Once completed, visit pcnametag.com/UEPS3, scroll down to Templates and Resources, and download the Quick Start Guide for detailed instructions. Now that you have the Quick Start Guide, you can follow along. Use the provided link in the Quick Start Guide to download the appropriate driver and firmware update for the printer. Then, select your PC or Mac operating system in the drop-down menu and click Go. Now, click the plus button next to Drivers, then click Download. Next, click the plus button next to Firmware, then click Download. Finally, run the downloaded executables and follow on-screen instructions for both the driver and firmware. Now you're ready to load your paper stock into the printer. To load roll stock, lift the gray lever and pull the front cover forward. Then, lift the blue lock to open the paper guides and insert the roll stock as shown. To load fanfold stock, open the front and back covers and remove the paper feed guide. Next, attach the feed guide to the front of the printer as shown, and adjust the fanfold guides accordingly on the front and back of the printer. Then, close the front cover. Finally, place the fanfold stock behind the printer, ensure the black timing mark faces down, and close the back cover. Now that you've completed the initial setup and loaded your paper, let's set up the printer driver. I'll guide you through the process for both PC and Mac. For PC users, first, ensure the printer is connected to the provided USB cable and the driver is installed. Then, go to Settings and select Printers and Scanners. Next, select your Epson printer and choose Printing Preferences. On the General tab, under Media Name, select Custom and match the settings for your paper stock. For 4x3 roll stock, match these settings shown on the screen. Then, click Media Detection and match these settings for the roll stock. For 4x5 double-sided fanfold stock, match these settings. Then, click Media Detection and match these settings for the fanfold stock with a black timing mark. For 4x6 double-sided fanfold stock, match these settings. Then, click Media Detection and match these settings for the fanfold stock with a black timing mark. For Mac users, ensure the printer is connected using the provided USB cable and the driver is installed. Go to System Settings and select Printers and Scanners. Select your Epson printer and choose Options and Supplies. Select the Options tab and match the settings shown on screen. Select OK, then choose Options and Supplies again. Select the Utility tab and select Open Printer Utility. Choose Media Setting and match these settings for your paper stock. For roll stock, match these settings. For fanfold stock, match these settings. Select Settings, then Finish to save. Next, open your Microsoft Word template, then select File and Print. Under Printer Options, select Extension Settings, and match the settings on the screen, and then select OK. In the Presets drop-down, select Save Current Settings as Preset to save these settings for future use. With the driver properly set up, you can now start printing from your Epson C4000u printer.